This 24-inch gas cooktop from TOPWISH fits well in compact kitchens while still offering a practical 4-burner layout for everyday cooking. The Italian sealed burners deliver strong, even heat across a wide range of outputs, so you can move smoothly from gentle simmering to fast boiling and searing. Its stainless steel surface and sealed burner design make splatters and spills easy to wipe away, which helps the cooktop stay looking clean with minimal effort. Sturdy cast iron grates give pots and pans a stable base and handle heavier cookware without wobbling, which is especially helpful for large family meals. The combination of push-and-turn ignition, child safety-minded knobs, and flame failure shutoff adds reassuring layers of protection during busy cooking sessions. Being compatible with both natural gas and liquid propane makes this built-in cooktop a flexible choice for traditional kitchens, recreational vehicles, and outdoor cooking setups.